Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this lecture, I would like to explain some more commands which is related to the AutoCAD. See here, I will draw a line first. So we know how to draw the line. Similarly, I will draw a circle. Similarly, I will draw a rectangle. Okay, now we will check first how this offset command will works here. So go to the offset and click here. So first specify offset distance. So I will choose any of the distance like 0.5 unit, click enter. Then I will select the object and I will move the cursor above the line. So one more line with same dimensions will be created. Similarly, if I select the line and I will go to below the line with 0.5 unit distance, one more line will be created. So like that, we are in the same command only. Once we click on escape or else if you come out of this command means you have to click escape. Otherwise you can choose the right mouse and then click enter or cancel. So by that time this is in the same command only. Okay. So you can choose n number of times like this. Like this. Okay. So with one object we can create multiple objects. Okay, similarly it will works for circle also. See here, if I click below the circle, one more circle with 0.5 unit distance will be created like this. Similarly, if you want above, similarly if you want to create here. Okay, so sometimes, so this is how the offset command will works. Sometimes, now we will see how that mirror command will work. Okay, once you select the mirror command and select the object, so I will select the entire object, then click enter and choose a point where it will be have. See here, just I will take the reference how the mirror command will works. So sometimes it is very difficult to draw the entire object at some particular distance. So for at the time what you have to do, you have to mirror the object. So the mirror command will be useful such the time only. For example, if I draw a circle here, if you want another circle means it is better to move to make a copy or paste. But if you want to draw more objects like this mirror command will be very useful. Similarly, you can check one more time. Go to mirror command, select the objects whatever you want, and then click enter. Then just to choose the opposite distance wherever you want. And here you can see, last time we seen erase source object means just we click no means, so the object will be created without disturbing this object means source object also we want, we are not supposed to delete this object. The meaning indicates that one. For example, if you choose mirror, select entire object, click enter here. Okay, then if you click yes means source object will be deleted and the mirror object will be appear here. So that is the difference. Whatever you want you can draw. And one more thing, I will take here one more line. So by using this offset command, already we are aware of that. By using this offset command with same 0.5 distance, click enter. I will draw vertical lines. So I will draw 1 meter distance. So click escape here. Again select this one. Click as 1 unit distance. See how it works. How this offset command works. So already I told you. Okay. Now we will go another command which is very useful tool, that is trim here. If you see here, one cutter shape will be appear here. So this is what trim option. So how this trim option will work? Just click this one. So if you want to cut these extra pieces, you can trim this one directly. So see here how this trim command will work. Okay, and if you want to delete any object, for example, if I am not on the trim command, if I select this one, entire line will be selected. So sometimes it is difficult to cut that particular piece. So at that time, what you have to choose the option, you can choose this option. If you want n numbers will be deleted means you can select the 10 numbers. Okay, see here how differently the trim option will works here. I will cut like this differently. How the trim command will be useful. And one more option will be available here, which is extend. See here, extend means, for example, I want to club these two lines. Okay, I want to club these two lines. Extended command will work this place. Okay, see how this extended command will working here. Otherwise we can take line option, we can draw. Okay, so click escape and then you can select. See here, another line will be opened here. So you are observe the difference how trim command will works, how extend command will works. And one more thing, if you take the line command here and again one more line command here, and you can take extend option here and you can select this one. Sorry, it won't very here. Just to take line option and one more line option with the reference to the same object. Okay, and you can go to the extend option. You can select here how it will be clubbing extend option. And one more thing, extend command also works here, such types. So if you choose extend option here, go to extend option, select the object where you have to extend. See how this works, extend object. Okay, so for example, if there will be a line, so just I will click extend option up to this object only, up to this object. So it will take the reference of this one. So up to there it will extend it. For example, if I draw a line here, I will choose extend option and I will click here. What happened? So extend command won't works here. Why? Because there will be no reference where to extend that particular line. For example, if I draw a reference line somewhere, I want to extend this particular line here. See here how this extend command will work. Similarly, if you want to extend this particular line here, it will be extended up to here only. So like that, for example, if I want this extend line up to here, so if there is no need to extend here, so there is no some reference lines to extend. For example, if I delete somewhere here by using trim option, then I will go to the extend option, then I will take the reference of this one and again reference of this one. Here extend command will works. Like that, there will be differences with some different tools, like trim option will be works for delete some particular objects, and extend objects will be useful for extending some particular commands only.